Look at this question. We are asked to solve for x. Let's do that. If I look at this, I will first of all go to the easiest part. Remember, if you are fighting a battle, you look for the weakest link. Boom. Once you break it, you are good to go. The weakest part for me here is this guy. Why am I targeting this guy? Because I've already seen that this base and this base are not the same. Okay? Therefore, here is my easiest part, because 81 simply means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, which is 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, raised to power 4. And I know that 3, which is this 3, another 3, power 4, this will give us, remember, 1. That's why I said this is my weakest part. So I will come here now to say 3, I replace this with 3 raised to power 4. Remember, I don't need to put the 4 here. If you'll be following my classes, I put the 4 here, equal to 1. Now, this is already 1. Okay? Then I come here to still drop you here, okay? Because we were here before. Now, what is the meaning of this? 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Equals to this. I still retain this guy because I don't know what to do with you yet. I don't care about who you are for now. I'm going to move this guy to this other side. As you can see, we have plus 4, plus 4. So when this process crosses to the other side, it's moving to the other side. You need to get this change to minus, okay? That is now 1 that was here before minus this 4 that is coming. It means only this guy will remain on the left-hand side, okay? What is the meaning of this? This means 1 minus 4, which is minus 3. Now, we have to carry x. Remember, there's no need for these guys. There's no need for that. We can just leave it like this. So now, these two need to come to this side, okay? So as it's going to this side now, it's going to carry minus 3. Why is it carrying minus 3? Because it's Mr. Carrier. It's meant to carry. It cannot just sit alone. Because it goes to this side to carry this s will come down. This log disappears, okay? So with this now, what is the meaning of this again? Continue to apply the rules. That's mathematics. You apply one law here, you apply another rule here, you apply another rule here. If you want to be good in mathematics, you should be an obedient person. You know the law, don't disobey. So the next law we are going to apply now is this minus. This minus, we have said several times, is equals to 1 over. So therefore, we are going to remove the minus and put 1 over here. So what is the meaning of this? 2 raised to power 3, that is 8. It therefore means our answer is s equal to 1 over 8.